If you need money fast, these 3 side hustle apps let you work today and get paid today. No waiting for a 2-week paycheck. And make sure you stick around for number 3, it's one of the easiest ways to earn without leaving home. Before we jump into the apps, here's something a lot of beginners miss. If you want same-day payouts, your setup matters. Make sure your payment method is linked, your profile is complete, and notifications are turned on. That one step can make the difference between getting a gig today or waiting a week. First up is Qwick. This app connects you to same-day hospitality shifts, like event serving, bartending, kitchen help, and setup work. You choose the shifts, work, and cash out the same day after your shift ends. It's perfect if you want flexible hours and fast payouts. I know people who pull in $120 to $200 in one day working events on Qwick, and it's perfect if you need cash before the weekend. Pro tip: if you want to stay booked up, make your profile picture clear and professional. And the next one is perfect if you prefer quick delivery and retail gigs. Next is Point Pickup. This one's for anyone who wants to do deliveries, but not the usual food apps. It partners with big retailers like Target and Walmart so you can deliver store orders. You'll see the route, payout, and size up front, and most drivers can cash out fast after the run. A smart hack here: take shorter routes at first to build a strong delivery record. Once you build trust, you'll get offered bigger payouts automatically. Here's where it gets real. You don't need to depend on just one app. But this last one is my favorite: you can make money without leaving your house. This flexible gig app has everything: home projects, delivery, cleaning, warehouse work, and more. You can filter jobs by same-day or next-day availability and cash out instantly after the job's approved. If your schedule's flexible, this is one of the fastest ways to stack extra cash. Some creators and gig workers I know use GigSmart on weekends for quick $100 to $150 hits, perfect if you're trying to hit a goal or cover bills fast. Stack even 2 of these apps, and you'll have daily cash coming in. Before you sign up, here's how to get paid faster. 1. Complete your profile 100%. 2. Turn on notifications for new gigs. 3. Link your payout method early. Doing this skips the waiting and gets your cash the same. Alright, which one of these apps would you try first? Drop it in the comments, backhand index pointing down. All the links are in the description so you can sign up today. And if you want more same-day pay apps, hit subscribe and watch the next video on your screen. This is SharonB, and I'll see you in the next one.
I've linked more info in the description, and be sure to watch next for passive income apps. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Multiple income streams are key to financial freedom. These apps make it simple to boost your income.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and click here to watch the next one.